Aveeno Positively Radiant Makeup Removing Wipes easily remove makeup, oil, and dirt that can dull skin. These nourishing wipes combine moisture-rich soy extract with gentle cleansers to help leave your skin looking fresh, awake, and luminous. Gentle enough to use around the sensitive eye area, even for contact lens wearers, these makeup wipes are oil-free and non-comedogenic. 25-count package of oil-free makeup removing wipes to gently and effectively remove oil, dirt, and makeup. Even waterproof mascara cleansing wipes gently exfoliates and cleanses your face in one easy step without overdrying or dulling skin. Face wipes contain a moisture-rich natural soy extract to help even skin tone and texture, revealing brighter and more radiant-looking skin. Gentle formula is oil-free and non-comedogenic to avoid blocking pores, making it perfect for everyday use makeup. Removing wipes are gentle enough to use around the sensitive eye area and are suitable for contact lens wearers. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product, please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.